Okay, this is an easy washing machine. We've had this for a long time. It used to be over at my grandma's house, and it's been sitting in this corner for quite a long time in the garage. And I'm going to get a close-up look at this label. Made in Syracuse, New York. It's like right around, not even too far away from here. And I just wanted to make a video showing the motor starting up and stuff. I don't have any more room on that light. But here's the motor. I think it's some kind of repulsion start motor because the rotor inside is wound. But I'm going to try to aim this camera so when I plug it in it'll be able to see it. And so I haven't plugged this in for I don't know how long, so I don't know what it's going to do. So I'm just going to set the camera up and see what happens. Alright, there we go. Now, I'm going to plug it in and hope something doesn't fly off and hit my camera and break it. Which probably won't. Cord is tangled up. Of course. Alright, here we go. Wow! See the lights dim? That really drew a lot of current when it started. Maybe it was just because it was kind of stuck. Let's try that again. Let's do another startup. Yeah, a little slow on the startup. It's probably because I haven't used in a long time. So let's put it in gear. That's pretty much how it works. Let's see if this still works. Yep. It still works. Now I can't shut it off. Oh, there it goes. Yep, that's what puts it in gear. It's pretty simple. Drains out there. You fill it up with a hose or something. I actually did use it to wash clothes one time. A few times. It works pretty good. Maybe I'll use it to wash my garage rags. Well, anyway, that's pretty much all I got to show you. Maybe if somebody wants, I'll make another video and actually demonstrate this how it washes. So, unplug that. Makes a cool noise when it shuts down too. I don't know if you heard that. Well, anyway, see ya.